Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to North Country Off Grid. We are up on top of the blacksmithing shop trying to get a little work done today. The sun is shining down, this snow is melting off. If we get another week of this kind of stuff, we're not going to have any more snow left up here, and it's going to be work. So guys, I wanted to stop real quick and give a shout out to a channel that's doing an awesome giveaway. I'll let you guys know about it. And if you're interested in blacksmithing or you want to win yourself an anvil, you guys go check it out. So the channel we're shouting out today on our little Sunday shout out, guys, is Essential Craftsman. Guys, this is a great channel if you are new to tools or you want to learn about how to use different types of tools. This channel will sort of expose you to tools, how they're used, how you can properly use them as well. Now this is a very cool channel doing an extremely big giveaway, guys. They are giving away an anvil to you. So I saw this anvil giveaway pop up in my feed, guys, and I jumped on it. Of course, you know, we're looking for an anvil here at North Country, and we need to put an anvil in this shop as soon as it is done. So yeah, I entered that thing, but I want to bring it to you guys as well and give you a chance to go enter. If I don't win it, I want one of you guys to win it. So go and enter, you guys. I put a link in the description below. Now that link does help me out and gives me a couple extra chances to win as well, but it does enter you guys in as well also. So you can use the link below. Go check out Essential Craftsman. You guys tell them North Country sent you. Tell them we said hi. Good luck, guys, and maybe you win the anvil.